first up, I'd like to say that you're a face that has launched 1,000 ships, or should I say 1,000 brands. You've been a trendsetter for
1,000 shoes.
That too.
Yeah.
Well, you've been a trendsetter for years altogether, and people swear by your sense of style, as is very evident even this evening. What is your prime reason and motivation for associating with Spunk?
Well, I mean, I'm really honored that they asked me to be their brand ambassador. It's a good-looking brand. It's vibrant. It's got great energy. There's some beautiful colors, and they're very nice shoes. So I was actually really pleased when we were discussing the creatives also. They said to me, we were shooting a normal photo session, and they said, no, we'd like you to do something very different, very energetic. And they sat and explained to me what was required, and we had lots of fun. So I think we do have some things in common, and
well,
I'm very happy to be working as the brand ambassador.
Now that you mentioned shoes, I'd like to add that Mr. Saif Ali Khan is in fact wearing customized shoes by Spunk, and as you can see, these shoes are nothing short of spectacular. How does it feel? Are they very comfortable? Would you
Very
like to
comfortable. They're very comfortable. In fact, the whole range is very nice.
Right.
Obviously, it'll sound like I have to say that, but I was really happy when I saw the shoes because they are very modern and cool, and I will wear them in my real life as well, I promise.
So as we know, performing artists, they are all mavericks. I mean,
Right.
they have a way of getting into the zone, if you know what I mean. And they're all full of happy, crazy energy. Wherever they go, the room lights up. As we can see, even with your presence here, everyone's just all spellbound, and I can't blame them. They're all with good reason. What is your way of getting into the zone, the maverick, the artist zone?
I think the most important thing is to care. And if you care about something, then you're passionate about it. And if you're passionate about it, then you get into that zone, as you say. So the most important thing, I think, is to care about what you do. Whether it's playing music or whether it's acting in films. If it's a project you're passionate about, it makes it much easier to be energetic about it.
I completely agree. Also, one thing, there's so many people here, gathered here just for you, associates. I'm sure that they're as excited about having you as you are about being associated with this brand. Is there any specific message that you have for associates here tonight?
Well, no, like I said, I'm very proud to be the brand ambassador. And I think together we should try and achieve something special. The shoes are already special. And I'll do my best to be part of the marketing of that and the visual of that, to make it exciting, to make it fun, to think of nice ways to present it. Like I said, I'm very proud to be given the job, and I will do my best to make it special.
So as your fan and as somebody who's been watching you over years, I can just say there couldn't be a better ambassador than you. I mean, you're 1,000 shades of fabulous, you're suave, you're fashionable, you're everything that's incredible. Thank you so much for your message.
Thank you. Thank you. You're very kind.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I'd request you to kindly take your seat as we
Sure.
resume with a spectacular evening ahead of us. So, ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Mr. Saif Ali Khan.
Thank you.